Hello, good evening. Meron na naman po tayong konting update sa gagawin natin using Laravel and Vue. So, ngayon hindi po ako gumagamit ng Laravel Mix. Laravel Mix yung feature na lumabas ng Laravel way back Laravel 5.4. So, right now, meron tayong separate folder na backend for BE and FE for front end. So, we have here our Vue. Ito naman po itong Laravel natin. So, yung view natin is gumagamit tayo ng VS Code. Sa Laravel naman is ito. So, sa Laravel, kung i-check natin, meron na tayong isang API na gumagamit tayo ng resource which is book, controller book. So, kung titingnan natin, meron tayong list of books na pwede na nating ma-remove. Ayun. Ang new book is lalagyan pa natin to ng mga chichiboreche. So, for this, since wala na siyang laman, let me go to our Tinker. Since meron naka-factory na to, PHP Artisan Tinker. Then, let's proceed for our factory. Wait. I-check ko lang kung naka-factory ba talaga. Ayun, meron. So, factory. App book class, lalagay tayo ng 10 and then let's create. Let's wait for a while. Ayun, meron ng 10 agad. PHP Artisan serve. Well, actually you don't need to do what I usually do, itong PHP Artisan serve. You can create your own virtual host. Meron namang mga tutorial dun sa YouTube. You can create that easily. Ayan, meron tayong 10. So, ang gagawin ko ngayong demo is, since yung huling code natin is we are using vuex. So, vuex to review, ito yung to centralize everything. You don't need to pass the data as props from child to child or to child to super parent. Vuex, ito yung nagsicentralize lahat po. So, for this, gusto kong gumawa ng mutation. So, ang paggawa nito is something like this. Excuse me. So, ang ipapangalan ko nito is ano ba? Books. Meron siyang state dito. And then return state that books. Itong state box, ito yung nasa taas. State box. Ayan. So, save. Wala pang mangyayari dyan. Same pa rin. So, dito is may gagawin tayo. So, ang mangyayari nito is, pasensya na sa spaghetti codes, this store that commit our, what's the name of our mutation? Books. And then we need to pass our payload, which is response.data. Let me check muna itong response data kung ano yung output nito. Well, obviously meron tayong, taas muna natin ito ng konti. Ayun, vuex natin, object is empty, set is empty, empty rin. So, the next thing we're gonna do is, since meron tayong pinasang data dito sa commit natin or mutation, so we are expecting a second parameter which is our payload. May error siya. Payload is declared but the value is never read. So, mangyayari will be something like this. Payload. Ayun. Let's save again. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Okay naman siya. Siyempre, magiging okay siya kasi we always output yung generic codes natin. So, ang mangyayari is we're going to create a computed. Computed will be something like this. And then I want to do some mapping. Import map getters, syempre from vuex. So, ang mangyayari dito is wala tayong comma. Then, 1, 2, 3 map getters. books. Try natin to. Computer property box is already defined in data. Ayun, tatanggalin natin siya. Save again. Let's see kung anong susunod na error. Getters books. Check natin tong store natin. Ayun, get books yung nandito. Let's change it to books. Save again. And bara. So if we're going to click view, makikita natin sa vuex natin na meron tayong sa state, meron tayong array of 10. Sa getters, meron array of 10. Sa mutation natin, we have the type of books. Tapos yung payload natin is array of 10. So, ayun. Napaka-simple lang. So, the next will be we're going to use action. Then, after we are going to complete this one, meron na tayong add, and then delete, edit, and etc. By the way, ako nga pala si Morley, isang passionate programmer. Yun lang po. Salamat. Hindi po ako master, hindi po ako nagmamagaling. I just want to share yung konting knowledge ko sa ibang tao. Salamat po. Salamat.